Imagine a world where a single drone flight captures absolutely everything around you in full cinematic detail. Where no angle is missed, no moment is lost, and every aggressive FPV maneuver becomes a fully immersive, reframable experience that can be reshaped endlessly in post-production. Because that future is no longer a rumor. The DJI Avata 360 is officially here, and it launched on January 21, 2026. And if the early specs, demo footage, and official reveals are even half as impressive as they look, this could be one of the most disruptive consumer drone releases in years, potentially redefining immersive content creation, FPV cinematography, and 360-degree aerial video all at once. DJI has taken everything people loved about the original Avata platform and fused it with a fully integrated spherical camera system. This isn't an action camera duct taped onto a drone. This is a purpose-built FPV aircraft with a centrally mounted dual-lens 360 imaging system engineered directly into the chassis for balance, airflow efficiency, and predictable flight handling. That means you can fly aggressively through complex environments while capturing every direction at once. And what's even more impressive is DJI's achievement in weight optimization. The Avata 360 comes in right under the 250-gram threshold, unlocking fewer regulatory restrictions in many regions and making it far more accessible to travel vloggers, urban creators, and hobbyists who want cinematic aerial shots without dealing with complex licensing requirements. Combine that with DJI's mature flight control algorithms, low-latency digital video transmission, and full compatibility with their FPV goggles, and this suddenly becomes a creator-first drone. Not just a toy, not just a niche experiment, but a real production tool. DJI's philosophy has always focused on lowering the barrier to entry while maintaining high performance, and that continues here with stabilized flight modes, assisted controls, and protective propeller guards that make indoor flying, tight spaces, and proximity shots far more practical than with exposed racing drones. But where the Avata 360 truly separates itself is in imaging. The built-in spherical camera captures 5.7K 360-degree video, with an optional high bitrate mode pushing even higher resolution for reframing workflows. And this matters because spherical footage has to be cropped and reframed during editing, meaning higher native resolution translates directly into sharper final videos for YouTube, social media, and cinematic projects. One flight, countless camera angles, dynamic follow shots, orbiting reveals, dramatic passes, stabilized cinematic fly-throughs that would normally require multiple takes or complex camera rigs. DJI's stabilization tech, including horizon leveling and advanced electronic smoothing, transforms traditionally chaotic FPV footage into fluid, professional-looking motion. And then there's the software. The Avata 360 launches with automated stitching, AI-assisted reframing, real-time path correction, and intelligent obstacle awareness for safer indoor and close proximity flying. It integrates directly with DJI's existing editing ecosystem, drastically reducing post-production time and making 360 workflows finally practical. Of course, there are still real-world questions. Battery life under full sphere recording, heat management during sustained FPV flight, onboard storage for massive high bitrate files, and pricing, which places the Avata 360 firmly in the mid to high range, especially when bundled with goggles and controllers. This is a serious tool for serious creators. But if DJI delivers on reliability, imaging quality, and long-term software support, the Avata 360 could fundamentally change how aerial content is captured, edited, and experienced. Because when every angle is captured at once, creativity is no longer constrained by where the lens is pointing. And that shift alone has the potential to redefine FPV filmmaking, immersive video production, and next-generation drone cinematography. The DJI Avata 360 isn't just another drone. It might be the beginning of an entirely new era in aerial storytelling.